Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change out the Brita filter on your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2. So the filter lives in the water container at the back here. So to begin with, we need to lift this straight up, so lift it up like so, and then we need to take the lid off in order to get to the actual filter. So it's a little bit fiddly, but with the lid closed like this, if you put your finger in here, you can see that this bit here moves up. So you heard it click there, and then it allows you to lift it back out this way. So we're going to lift it up here and move the whole lid out this way. That will give us access to this inside bit here, which we can then take out. And this here is the filter that we're going to be changing out. So it should have somewhere that you can grab on it. On this one I can put my finger in here, and I'm going to lift it up like so. And then it will allow you to discard this or recycle this, and then you're going to get your new filter. Now in this instance here, this filter is absolutely fine. I'm just doing this purely for the video. But when you get your new filter, read the packaging instructions, and it will probably tell you to dunk it in some water for a little while. So I'm going to dunk it in here about 5 seconds or so.
By doing this, it helps remove any carbon dust. It will prevent any dry spots, so you have like an even wetness across the filter, and it will also activate the filter as well, so it's going to start working straight away when you install it.
And now we're going to be placing the new filter. I know I'm just reusing this, but placing the new one in here. So drop it in. It should go in either way round. It shouldn't make a difference whether it's that way or that way. And then shove it home like so. So it's fully down now. You can see that that's seated nicely in there. And we're now going to drop this into here like so. And we're going to line this up. So we're just going to place this on like so at the back there. And when we push it forward, it should click into place. There we go. It just clicked in there. And you can now see it will allow us to lift up without this falling off. It's seated properly again. And we're going to bring this and we're just going to place it. You're going to fill it up with water. There's already water in here, but fill it up with fresh water. And then place this down from the top here. You've got to go right the way down from the top so that these bits locate into these bits here. Like so. And now we need to reset the actual Brita indicator at the top here. So you can see now it's empty and it's just flashing. So it's letting you know that it's empty. We're going to hold down the start button until it grows all the way up, and then we're going to let go and it's going to be at 100%. So I'm holding it down now and you can see 50%, 75%, 100% is going to flash. And now I can let go. And it will stay at 100%. And now you can monitor this, and then when it gets down to 25%, you can now get another filter ready for when it goes to 0, you can pop the new filter in. The filter here is a Maxtra Plus, a Brita Maxtra Plus. So that's it, it's nice and straightforward. Hopefully your water will be nice and clean. Thanks for watching.